So it is always a creator's dream that when they create a new YouTube channel, the channel will get monetized in a very short period of time. So this was the case of a creator that reached out to me through my AdSense support program, and we have been working on our channel to resolve the problem the channel had. So now the creators started this channel about 3 months ago, got it monetized in less than 2 months, and along the way the AdSense effect came in. So now let me just show you the dashboard of the channel. So here you can see that the channel got monetized on the 30th of May 2025, that is about 2 weeks ago. And here there is a new achievement on the channel. The channel has gotten 1 million views within the within the period of 3 months. And the second achievement is 15,000 subscribers. This channel has gained 15,000 subscribers within a space of 3 months. Now let's go to the analytics and see what actually happened. So let me zoom out to the lifetime of the channel. So here you can see that the channel was created on the 21st of March 2025. That's like about almost 3 months ago, and the channel has gotten 1.1 million views. The views have gained 251,000 watch time hours. Mind you, for you to get your channel monetized, you need to get up to or get more than 4,000 watch time hours. You get the point. But this channel has broken everything. That is the watch time hours is 251,000, not 4,000 again. So to tell you how fast this channel grew, and it has gained 17,000 subscribers within the set period and $1,580. So this is where the issue lies in the revenue aspect. This channel had an AdSense issue, and the channel was losing hundreds of dollars every day. So let's know what actually happened. So let me zoom into the last 28 days. So as you can see, in the last 28 days, the channel has already gotten 1 million views. So now you can see from the analytics, you can see that the first day that the channel started getting viral, it got 13,000 views the first day. Then it went to 108,000 views, and from there tens of thousands of views each day. So the views suddenly dropped because the channel stopped uploading, and with the problem behind the scene, that actually affected the views of this channel. But that's not what I'm here to share. So when you go to the revenue side, you see that the first day of monetization, the channel earned $179, $344 up to $549 per day. So to confirm that this is a US dollar, you can say that this is a US dollar. And when I change it to Nigerian naira, because I always like to do this, you can see that in one day this channel earned 870,000 naira in one day. So let me take it back to US dollar. So now what actually happened after this peak? The revenue suddenly dropped. So this is where the channel started having issues. And mind you, from the views this channel was getting, this channel was losing hundreds of dollars each day. And up till now, we just recently resolved the issue, and now we are trying to monitor monitoring if everything is back to normal. But unfortunately, this channel has lost up to, or if not more than, $5,000 in the past 12 days. They had this reused content that they quickly resolved because they showed YouTube the evidence that they are the one that make this video, and everything went smoothly. And then they ran into existing AdSense accounts. So the channel owner tried all she could, and fortunately when she reached out to me, so I have to log into her account and check the history of her account. So we discovered that she had 2 AdSense accounts already. So I have to delete one of the AdSense accounts and then try again, and everything was resolved. Now, like, sometimes you might not know, like, if you're new to Google, the Google platform or YouTube platform, and let me say to an extent the AdSense platform, but you might not know what is working behind the scene, because the creator, she told me that she haven't created any AdSense account before. That is in regards to this particular channel, although she have another channel, but that was totally different from what she's doing here. But when I checked her channel or checked the AdSense account, I discovered that she used the same details in the first AdSense account and also used it in the new AdSense account. So that was where she started having this AdSense issue, and you can imagine what this has cost her. That's the reason why I always advise that you own just one AdSense account, unless if you know the dynamics creating Google AdSense account, then you can create more than one. But if you don't know much about it, just stick to one. And I understand the risk of creating one AdSense account for multiple channels. I know the fear of, if one channel, something goes wrong with one channel, it could probably affect all the channels that have the same AdSense account. And this issue has happened before in this community. So what I would advise you to do is that if you want to create your second AdSense account, that is, if for any reason you want to create a second AdSense account, make sure that you are not using the same details that you use in the first AdSense account. Both the numbers, both the name, everything should be different entirely. You can use someone's details entirely for your second AdSense account, that is, if there's need for that. But if there's no need, I would advise that you use one AdSense account. YouTube's or Google's policy, they expect that everyone should have one AdSense account. So if you have more than one, it's like you are violating their rules or their policies. So that was the case with this channel. Just imagine that this channel was earning like $300 every day for the past 12 days. That would have been almost $4,000. So I'm using this opportunity as well. If you know that you are expecting a huge amount from your YouTube channel, or you don't even want to miss a dime, from any revenue you are making from your channel right from the monetization period, you can just sign up to my AdSense support program. You can scan the QR code on the screen, get sign up, and then I will help you to apply for your monetization, set up your AdSense account, do all the verifications that are required with your own documents, and make sure that everything is linked to your YouTube channel, and also make sure that your payment, your tax info, every document that are required in your AdSense account is being set up and put in place. And also make sure that you get your first payment into your bank account, and then I'll know that my tax is my job is done. So if you want to sign up, use the QR code on the screen, and save all the stress that you might encounter while running into this kind of issue. This is always common. So that is the reason why I set up my AdSense account, so that I will help creators. Just imagine this, the owner of this channel, she has already given up on this issue. To tell the refer, she has already given up on this channel. She was even planning to focus on the second channel and just give up on this, but I told her that it's too early to give up, so that she should wait and calm down and let us resolve this. So it took me about 3 to 4 days to resolve this issue. So please, we should learn from other people's mistakes and then do the needful. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I would like to know your thoughts. If you have ever had an AdSense issue, or you have concern about your future monetization of your channel, please share your challenges, share your thoughts, and whatever thing you have experienced on YouTube monetization in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. and I will see you in the next one.